Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to always get large marshmallows in the South Bronx. To consistently find those delightful, oversized marshmallows, you need to know the secret. It's not about searching every grocery store. It's about timing and location. We'll uncover the one reliable method that ensures you never leave empty-handed. This unique approach has been perfected over many years, guaranteeing your success every single time you try it. Let's dive into the specifics. Your quest begins by focusing on a very specific area, the heart of the South Bronx. Independent bakeries, particularly those with a long history, are your best bet. These aren't your typical chain stores. They're places where passion for baking thrives. Ask for their special batch marshmallows. These are often made with a unique recipe, resulting in a much larger, fluffier product, sometimes weighing over 2 ounces each. They are truly a hidden gem. Timing is crucial for securing these coveted treats. Most bakeries prepare their large marshmallows on specific days, usually Tuesdays and Fridays, to ensure peak freshness. Arriving mid-morning gives you the best chance before they sell out. Don't hesitate to ask about their production schedule. Building a rapport with the bakers can also be beneficial. They might even set aside a special order for you. Remember, these are artisanal products, so planning ahead is key. Once you've acquired your magnificent, large marshmallows, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a s'more with a marshmallow 3 times the size of a standard one, or a mug of hot chocolate topped with a cloud of fluffy sweetness. These aren't just snacks, they are an experience. Remember to store them properly to maintain their delightful texture. Now you possess the exclusive knowledge to always find these extraordinary treats in the South Bronx. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.